Howdy y'all, Lone Star Rider here. I've had questions about my hat cam. Y'all stick around. Guys, I'm glad y'all stuck around. Van Eckler, my good buddy, wanted me to show my hat cam. This is my hat cam. It's just a regular ball cap. This particular one is an Apple one. I got it in California. I was about ready to quit using it, and then I said, well, I'll test it on this cap. So that's why I'm using this cap here. I drilled a hole right here in the center of the cap, probably about 3/4 of an inch from the brim. I just used a 3/4 inch screw and put in about 2 washers. Probably could have used another one, but that's fine. And then I put on this GoPro this GoPro camera mount, which connects to tripods, etc. So it allowed me to screw that in, put the GoPro here, and I'm able just to put it on my head and record, and I don't have to hold it all day. It's really helpful when I'm at conventions and just whenever it works. Everybody looks at you weird, but hey, everybody looks at you weird when you're recording anyway. The one thing that I did do is that, you see this little white mark here? Once you get the camera in the right position, I put that white mark right there, and that way I know the camera is in the right direction when I got this on my head. Makes it really easy. These things are really easy to make. I made Vicky one, Vicky Van Gogh, and she likes it. She was putting her camera, her phone on top of it. Anyway, I think this is a really easy, simple way to do it. Now, you could find hat cams on Amazon and stuff like that for around 15 bucks, 20 bucks. I've seen them even go for 50 bucks. This cost me right around 5 bucks to do. It was easy to do. Took me probably 15 minutes. Alright, Van, there's the camera. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video about my hat cam. And if you do, and you're not subscribed to me yet, click on that subscribe button down below and then hammer the hell out of that bell, and you'll get email notifications that I've uploaded a video. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share, comment, let me know what you think. Catch you on the road. Put it on another one. I think I'm just rambling. Am I rambling? Waiting on a train.